Where can you find the best Reuben sandwich in nice delis? If you love a good Reuben sandwich, you might wonder where to find the best one in New York City. This classic sandwich is a favorite at many iconic delis across the city. The Reuben is made with corned beef or pastrami, Swiss cheese, tangy sauerkraut, and Russian dressing, all stacked on rye bread. Each deli has its own special touch that makes their Reuben stand out. Katzs Delicatessen is often called the gold standard for Reuben sandwiches in New York City. They've been around since 1888 and are famous for their high-quality meats and traditional recipes. Their Reuben features thick slices of tender corned beef or pastrami, melted Swiss cheese, and house-made Russian dressing. The sandwich is served on fresh, rye bread that is toasted just right. Katzs also offers a Reuben package you can take home, which includes all the ingredients to make your own at home. Another top spot is Sarges Delicatessen. Known for its authentic New York deli vibe, Sarges makes their own cured corned beef and pastrami in-house. Their Reuben is big and hearty, with generous stacks of meat on thick-seeded rye bread. They serve it hot or cold, and the flavors are rich and satisfying. Sarges also offers dine-in and delivery options, so you can enjoy their Reuben whether you're visiting or relaxing at home. While not a traditional New York City deli, Jason's Deli is recognized for its balanced Reuben. Their version uses well-marbled, thinly sliced corned beef, toasted rye bread, and just enough dressing and sauerkraut to keep it from getting soggy. It is a good choice if you want a classic Reuben with a slightly lighter touch. For the full New York City deli experience, Katzs remains the top choice because of its historic reputation and authentic preparation. Sarges is a close second for those wanting a more traditional, hearty sandwich. Both places showcase the rich heritage of New York City deli culture, where the Reuben is a beloved staple. So, if you're craving the best Reuben in New York City, head to Katzs Delicatessen for a true classic, or visit Sarges for a hearty, traditional experience. Either way, you'll get a delicious taste of New York's deli history with every bite.